Good morning, guys. It's Callum here from Trend Signal. Just going to run you through the trade of the week from last week. Give you a few examples of some nice trades that we had come out last week. Starting off with the Euro Japanese Yen pairing here. You can see a nice sniper circle occurring for a short against the trend. This one, so you're looking for a 100 pip target here. Now this was on the 9th and it closed out there at 134.432. Therefore, a target would be there is 133.43. As you can see, this actually hit out, hitting a low of 133.067 within 24 hours. So a nice 100 pip target and profit take there quickly. Another good example here we can see is the sterling Canadian dollar pairing. Now this was actually a sniper with the trend here. So what we want to do with this is look at the ATR, which is over here, times 1.3. So looking for around about sort of 100 pips target there. This trade actually hit out within a day, having a nice spike here. So the top of this candle hitting us out for our target there of 1.70918. So taking us out there for a hefty profit as well. Again within 24 hours. So another two good examples of quite quick trades. Not usually all of them are as quick as that. Tend to last between 1 and 5 days. I'd say averagely with a trade, but these ones ones are hitting out quite nicely there. Give you another example actually on the 4-hour charts there for those of you who are using it. Quite a simple strategy in terms of looking to follow. Simply identify this with an arrow here, and what we're looking for is the ATR, so the average true range minus the spread at this point. Now this was a 6 o'clock trade there on the 11th. And this trade looking to close out there at 1.3543, about 33 pips there our target, and with a spread there will give some places as high as 3 pips spread might have been there. So looking for a 30 pip target. Now this actually remained fairly constant there, maybe a bit of wobble there, not much range, so people going okay, not much happening, but well within about by 10 o'clock in the next morning, this has spiked up again, which is a good move up, and it's continuing to increase. But we were out there for our 30 pips target there, taking us out and securing a nice another 30 pip profit to go with the two there we just mentioned as well. So obviously more trades going on throughout the week, but this is just a little overview. So if you'd like to see how this is done, we actually do have live webinars coming up this week. The links are in the description below. There's one on Tuesday. So tomorrow at 7 p.m. and also Wednesday 7 p.m. as well. And if you're looking for a lunchtime session as well, click on there and see which one suits you best. Pleasure talking to you guys, and we'll hopefully catch up next week.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.